Here's a cool one. Watch this. Suppose that I'm still interested in cybersecurity, but I don't have commercial intent. I don't want to buy anything. I don't want to see sites for antivirus or anything like that. Well, the minus operator is the way that I tell the Google search engine what I don't want to see. It will eliminate all of those from my results. So in this case, it's minus, no space, .com. And now I don't see any .com domains in my search results here. I see .edu, .edu. I suppose if we kept scrolling, we'd probably see some .gov or .org. Oh, look, Augusta Community College, go artichokes. But the minus operator is a way to tell Google what you don't want in your search results. Continuing with the cybersecurity theme, suppose I want to find publications from academia or government. Well, those documents are likely to be PDF files, and I can use the Filetype operator to search for specifically PDF documents. So again, the syntax is Filetype space PDF, and look, now it returns only PDF documents. So I'll just click on one. And we see here's a publication, Cybersecurity for Small Business. It's actually some great tips, so it's interesting information. If, for example, I was looking for economic or accounting data, I might use file type XLSX for the Excel file extension. Or if I wanted to look for PowerPoint presentations, I could look for that extension. But Google Search recognizes common file extensions and can limit your search results to those files. Source is another way to narrow your search results. I can continue my cybersecurity search, but I might say source npr.org. And now this restricts my results to a specific news agency, and in this case, NPR. And I get tons of results from npr.org. They're reporting on cybersecurity attacks, news, statements from the White House, and other information on cybersecurity as they report it. You might already be familiar with quotation marks in your search queries. Quotation marks encourage Google to look at specifically that string of words in that order, or anything that appears in the quotes. So for example, just to illustrate, I'm using the last search engine results from the last search that we did, and I have a news article that Biden pushes cybersecurity upgrades. And one way I could use it, this is already in quotes, but I could take a quote from the president here, copy that, paste it into another search query, and when I do that, I get other reporting from other agencies on the same comment. So it's one way to get a different perspective, or reporting from different news agencies on the same piece of information. Another really valuable way to use quotes, and it's common for IT folks to do this, is when you get error codes or error messages. Oftentimes that's an incomprehensible string of words, but if you copy that, put it into quotes, enter that in your Google search query, it oftentimes leads you directly for tips for troubleshooting and remediation, how to resolve that specific error code or error message.